Hello everyone and welcome to Tropical Capitalist. This is Noelia, real estate agent and partner at My Second Option. Okay, today we're going to talk about a new term is being used nowadays that is used by smart investors across the world. It's called international living, global living. Well, what is international living? It is a modern version of flag theory, a decades-old strategy that says live in one country, bank in another, and invest in a third one. But today it's not about dodging taxes, it's about building a resilient lifestyle. So imagine this, you live and bank in Panama for the world-class infrastructure and territorial tax system. Then you invest in Paraguay where land is cheap, fertile, and returns are pretty high. And then you hold residency from El Salvador, where crypto is a legal tender and the government welcomes digital nomads and builders. That is not called paranoia, okay? That's smart diversification. Why now? Well, why more and more people are turning into this international living nowadays? Well, number one, governments are tightening control, on new taxes, asset reporting, and currency restrictions. They're just creeping in. Number two, your money isn't safe in just one place. Bank runs, freezes, and inflation have hit countries you'd never even expect. Number three, you need a backup plan nowadays. That is the reality. Political chaos, natural disasters, currency collapse. Well, okay, one passport, one country isn't enough anymore. Now, here's the good news. International living is more doable than ever right now. You can work remotely, open accounts online, visit countries with low or no visa requirements. And for under $5,000, you can get residency in Paraguay, start a business in El Salvador, or set up base in Panama, all with major lifestyle and tax benefits. It would be an upgrade. Okay, so how do you get started? Here's your tropical flag starter kit, residency. Go for easy, stable residencies like Panama's Friendly Nations Visa, Paraguay's Investor Residency, or El Salvador's Entrepreneur Track. Banking. Open accounts in Panama or Paraguay, where banking is simple, accessible, and it's just foreigner friendly. Real estate. Buy a home or farmland in Paraguay for ROI, or a beachfront condo in Panama for lifestyle and rentals. Tax strategy. All three countries offer ways to legally reduce or eliminate taxes on foreign income. No tricks, just smarter jurisdictional choices. Okay, reality, the world is changing and the people who win are the ones who adapt. International living it's not about being flashy, it's about being free. So ask yourself, are you still living like it's 1999? Or are you planting flags for the future? Hit the like button, drop a comment. I'd like to know what you're thinking in terms of your plan B if you have one, and subscribe for more real talk or real estate, relocations, construction, and real freedom. Also, if you like more info about our services and how we can help you build your plan B, our WhatsApp contact link is in the description box. So I'll see you on the next video.